First of all, I would like to give my regard to all the media's friend for responding our call to attend this press conference. Poilano ang joton hambay marogo tini press bondu rogno tini oro tini press briefing khana phaimani bagai Poilano ang hambay ronai tini buisu bisi ketal angui tongo tini Korea matani der aban bagai joton no tini tiprani basi rogno te tipra sarogno te jotto tiprani bororogno ani khakofur Kakitang by Hambay Yafaro, Chini Bushu Bisikutalni Mungui. Table Sing Hambay Yafarnai, Dino Dorago, Chini Tangai Edisong Mari, Osong Marigo, Chini Kabangma, Chini Borogo, Chini Patino, Lak Asakasakasi Butrika, Avani Bagi, Willa Borono Blaicha Hambay, the Kaksama Yafaro, Chini Butarono. Today, we have an emergency CC meeting held 13 to 14 April. In this executive committee meeting, we have resolved 4-point agenda, which I want to declare with the press. In this CC meeting, we resolve one number agenda in order to contain post-election violence. Further stringent action must be taken up by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the sections of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compel to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement, whole of the state, especially in Addis area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, but maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in this area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident. We have lot of FIR filed and also we have identified so many culprits, directly, indirectly, who involved in this violence. We have already identified, and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I am also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPP party will be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement, if situation continue. Tini ang sana musugo, tini press ni bisingti. 10 tarik ni hoite, tini poento. Violence torai tongo, jaga jas jeng khobor main tongo, nok sok sago, auto sok sago, event burini, godnani, rangzak rikzak rok seitlang tango, tebu se kebang manukha, armari ni sebayui, rang lag lag, event ini simna, nin abo subol singo, price harus 6 lakh rang, boni tongmani, boni armari bising ni, apa itu borok, lut kaitlang tangka. Tebu bele wana masengsa, pukri rogo, bithi roi rogo, tu inu kene call, aro bithi roi rogo, kuar rogo, te mairung rogo, jasa ada mairung tongmani, mairung rogo, kerosene buli rogo, apa bele wana masengsa. Oba hai de tongmung, oba hai de gotona, abo kuno de ringyako, aban bagai, je kuno borok pun involved thung. He may belong to any party, political party. Culprit is culprit. Aban action mana nai, aban bagai ang koi nai. Chini especially chini ti pramotha ni volunteer agno. Because we do not know in the name of ti pramotha ni bumung nagai, oma hai borok samung khlaigo. Tabuk phano chini borok kabangma khari matongo, nini khuai rogo, nini awatla rogo, telemra rogo, chini ti prasarok, borok town of khaimatong khayo. Borok belai khen osiba tongo jeng lukha, sing maneski tongo, aban mang koi nai, chini sarkar mo sing koi nai, immediate relief karna bagai, the government prashashan, thangai ni tahsildar ba tikun incorrect lagi, borok nok sok sajang mani, nok khamani, even malmata borok langai thango. They very interesting. In the name of the Pramotha or some allied organization, Bora receive bago. Bisa esok khaina hnai, Bora receive bago. Bora rang chanda sano. Onekjon bora jeng lukha, chino receive butongo, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 klai bora receive pani rogo. The Pramotha ne bumungtui, chino receive tongo. They sudu receive biap, phone by donkey rogo. Rang mari phainai 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, omai klai jeng, chino kamang mari puttongo. Abo belai ke durbagyo kapal hamia, bori bagai jeng omano sanai, china IPP party jeng nai tongo, jeng tei chojjo khlai manglak, jodi si, omai jodi continue tong khlai, jeng tude tumru, jeng di samnanai, jeng sara tipa rajyo, nangke jeng bon kere nai, jeng rasar ko khlai nai, jeng je democratic movement, peaceful movement jeng khlai nai, abo bagai ang koi nai, chini phasana koi nai, tei jeng public, je kono party phan ongthung, ang borno koi nai, omai violence, omai tamung sitra, tate tangthung, Moni bagai ang barban koi sago, suno compel taklai di, chini jeng naharoi tongko, ani volunteer rok, ani public rok, kabang matabon hazar, suno phone khai tongo, jadi omai ke tongka tini bu gosona kanaka mandai go, auto sok sai dokha, awas jeng report main tongo, omai jadi konti tongklai, jeng bisi nai singlak, ani strai rok nai singlak, jeng peaceful klai jeng democratic movement jeng bu klai nai, hambai. Ini আমরা কথা বলবো কারণ আমরা এটা সত্যি কারণ ম্যাক্সিমাম সাপোর্টার আগে তো মাথা তো নেই মাথা তো নতুন they just from the party when they don't have any district committee they don't have a division committee they don't have primary committee they don't have village committee উনের কিছু নেই এখন হঠাৎ করে কত লোক জমছে they have got lot of supporter and I believe they also know it also know maximum supporter I can say more than 60% supporter are CPM background ছেলে মেয়ে এটাই আদের হেরা বোধহয় ডিসিপ্লিন কন্ট্রোল করতে পারছে না কারণ তেপ্রামথা এট প্রেজেন্ট they don't have a setup they don't have division committee they don't have primary committee down the line they don't have any infrastructure therefore I think maybe in the name of Motha everybody is taking advantage.
And what about the police, the allegation you have brought?
Therefore we request the police department, I mean I have also as a minister I also appeal to them so So they say they will take action immediately. So they have given assurance. Let us see, and we'll wait.
And what is, do you have any assessment on what damage have been done? What type of damages mainly?
That is the assessment is going on, because right now, because this is continuous process going on. So today, tomorrow, so maybe it will take time to get the assessment. So how many houses burned, how many the property destroyed.
Any pattern or any specific area where it has taken place?
It is specifically taking place in Khwai district, Khwai area, and West and Sipaijola. Three districts is mostly affected. Khwai, West, and Sipaijola. Other part also there are some but not major.
Sporadic.
This is sporadic. So main violence take place in these three districts. So today we appeal, we will give the letter to DGP, also will give letter. We will give it letter to Home Minister. We already wrote a letter. So they said we will see, we will take the action. So we are waiting.
BJP people are also being attacked? Or
Yes, both are affected. I know. When some BJP house also was vandalized, party office was destroyed. When BJP party office also destroyed, and mostly affected is IPFT party.
How many FIRs have been lost so far?
Now, right now I cannot say, but maximum we have lost FIR. Why have lost FIR? This some power players. I mean, of course it is going on, but today also we lost FIR. So now maybe more than 30, 50 FIR lost.
any loss of life, unfortunate incident?
Loss of life is not yet, also there is no loss of life till now, but there are so many seriously injured there. So they are hospitalized and they are under treatment.
দলের হিসেবে এখন পর্যন্ত কয়টি সন্ত্রাসের ঘটনা ঘটেছে রাজ্যে?
10 তারিখ তো বলেছে প্রায় পার্টি অফিস প্রায় বোধহয় 20টা পার্টি অফিস ভেঙেছে around 20 party office. So far my report. Maybe there are more. And house maybe around 50 houses are 50 houses are destroyed. And there are so many lake also. They put the medicine and all poison. That is how. Let us see.
So BJP has specifically said that the poor performance is the alliance is because of IPFT. What do you want to say?
Your reaction on
Who said it?
BJP spokesperson has specifically said that due to, and even the MP has also said, because of the alliance party, we did not wanted to give them so many seats. Because of the alliance party, the performance was so poor.
So for directly, I don't have any information. If they say so, let us all discuss. We'll have a introspection. We'll jointly meeting. We'll conduct. If they say so later, then maybe we'll discuss.
And what was your expected victory? But why the result has become so poor?
I cannot say it's so poor because this year the election is actually, I can say, wave. Like we say Modi wave. Naturally, it is true. This the fact that the Maharaja is the first time. He came out first time in his life. So people may not know. So because he's fresh, so everybody have a soft corner of him. So people are maybe directly, indirectly, they have cast the vote. Since he's the new person, so and you know among the tribal, the soft corner of him. So he have lot of this thing. Therefore, I think that this is a wave of the Maharaja.
So you want to say that due to the personal charisma of Maharaja, the votes have been swayed towards...
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so.
And Greater Tipraland has not been an effect because being in the party, in the government, you could not bring Tipraland issue as a whole in 3 years. When you are in the government, you can, there is a different way of. Do you think that has also affected you?
That is not true, but see, people are sometimes, see, the partner IPFT, that is also, we can say, drawback, we can say. With a short period of time, 3 years performance of IPFT and BJP, that performance is not really, we cannot spread to the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal. Otherwise, our performance is much, much better than the previous government, even for the welfare of our people. Yes. As you just now said, if any BJP person, or spokesperson, or whatever he may be, if he says so, it is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. Maybe he is politically immature. But I can say that much. If he says so. Otherwise, we should have combined discussion, combined meeting. Then only we will know what is what. But suddenly uttering this kind of sentence, it is not very nice. It is not very comfortable for us.
But do you accept that Greater Tripura has been a turn in the politics?
That is I cannot say. I cannot say.
Because before election, your Tripura was a great issue before post-2018 election.
See, actually, the issue is always there. We also raising the issue. Why not compromising? But saying Greater Tripura, still people are maybe confused. People maybe do not realize what is the real meaning of Greater Tripura. I think so. So they will explain to people. People will slowly came to know what is Greater Tripura.
Sir, another question. Is it true that the IPFT candidates did not get enough support from the BJP where they are treated as alliance candidates?
That is, I will not say this directly, indirectly, but I believe this is a flu of Maharaja. This wave of Maharaja is the main reason, I think, why this election has actually swept in the name of Maharaja. Not in the name of anything, but only Maharaja is the main center point who cast the vote. Maybe old, because as you know, this is fresh, new. Everybody like new person. No? So ultimately, if he work nicely, if he perform better, then people will judge according to his performance, according to his activities. But now people, we cannot say who is bad, who is good. But I can say that much, that since is a fresh, it's a new person, so people are expecting him.
But your party once going with Maharaja, again coming back, has that not affected your image also? Your party's image, I mean.
That is actually, that also may be matter, but still we cannot penetrate this idea. Why we not join to them? Why we are coming out? That matter we cannot actually explain to the people of Tripura. Thank you.